Eat this bad boy. Oh man, chat, y'all think this is gonna taste nasty? Chat, y'all think this cough drop's gonna taste nasty? Oh, I'm scared. Oh, this was in like the old people section of Walmart. I'ma eat it. Oh, yeah, no, oh, 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 that's nasty. Oh, oh, it tastes like old women's feet. And don't ask how I know what old women feet taste like. Oh, God. Oh, it's like a stale Clorox wipe. Oh, it tastes like the floor of a Dollar General. Oh, gosh. Oh, we're good, chat. How we doing? Welcome to the stream. Good morning. Good morning.